Hello my friends all around the world. On this video I'm going to demonstrate to you the proof of the solution to the quadratic equation. Do you know the quadratic equation? Yes, can you see this equation behind me? This is the quadratic equation. This equation is known as the quadratic equation. And how to come up with the solution to this equation is very simple. It's all about completing the squares, and on this video I'm going to show you how simple it is to arrive at the solution of this equation here. Okay, very simple steps, and you are going to follow what I am doing. Okay, first of all let's begin with a very simple step. All right, I am going to divide the entire equation by a. X squared plus b divided by a times x plus c divided by a equal to 0. Very simple step. I only divide the equation by a. Now I am going to perform a very simple step as well. I am going to simply put this c divided by a to the other side of the equation. Okay, b divided by a times x equal to negative c divided by a. Okay, now that we've arrived to do this configuration, to this format, what we want to do is to understand that we have x squared here and we have x here. We need a number that can be related to this number here to complete the square here at this side of the equation. How are we going to do that? Trust me, and you are going to understand what I'm talking about. X squared plus b divided by a times x plus b divided by 2 times a squared. Can you see this? This is a square. This is a square that you can put in the place, okay, of a product between two numbers, okay, a product between two numbers. And I'm going to show you how it is going to become the solution to this equation here. Just continue paying attention. Now that we've added this term to this side of the equation, we have to add it to the other side of the equation to not alter the configuration of the equation. So this side here will be this. Okay, my friends, now we need to keep this, and I'm going to erase the above. This thing here that I told you to pay attention on is simply this: x plus b divided by 2 times a squared. If you develop this power here, you are going to end up coming at this, okay? At this. Alright? So we did this because we wanted to arrive at this, okay? Equal to minus c divided by a plus b 2 times a squared. Alright, we are almost finishing. The only thing that we need to do now from this, the only thing that we need to do now to arrive at the final solution is to put the power to the other side is going to become a square root. So x plus b divided by 2a is equal to plus minus the square root of c . Okay, it is actually solved. We've already solved it. Now what we need to do is to prepare the equation so you are going to be able to identify it as the way your teacher told you when you were studying it in high school. Okay, let's pass this to the other side. Okay, now my friends, what we need to do is to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2 divided by 2. If we multiply the denominator and the denominator by 2 divided by 2, we are going to arrive at the final configuration of the solution, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus the square root of minus b of b squared minus 4 times a times c, okay, it all divided by 2 times a. This is the final configuration of the solution to the equation, to the quadratic formula, and I've demonstrated to you how to arrive at it. I hope you enjoyed. See you